Imagine logging into one application and instantly accessing your email, file storage, and other company tools without logging in again. This convenience is powered by Single Sign-On, or SSO. Single sign-on is an authentication process that lets you access multiple systems with one set of login credentials. Instead of entering your password for every service, you log in once and SSO manages the rest. SSO makes life easier by minimizing the need to remember many passwords. It reduces frustration and helps prevent weak, repeated passwords, a common security risk. For IT administrators, SSO streamlines access management. Revoking access in one place is enough, enabling faster onboarding and better security compliance. SSO works by logging in to a central identity provider, or IDP. When you access another application, it checks with the IDP to confirm your authentication, using standards like SAML, OAuth, or OpenID Connect. A common example is signing in to various apps using your Google or Microsoft account. That's SSO in action. One login, many doors opened. SSO isn't a silver bullet. If the central login is compromised, all connected services are at risk. That's why multi-factor authentication is often used together with SSO for added security. In today's digital environments, SSO is a cornerstone of modern authentication. Understanding SSO helps IT professionals and students unlock greater efficiency and stronger security.